Welcome. Today we have a problem involving a main table with weeks listed that we need to reference to populate dates in corresponding columns. The task might seem daunting, but fear not, as we have a clever solution at hand. The solution lies in a formula that lets us reference the tab names in column A to automatically fetch the dates for each week. By using the formula equals indirect address 3 column plus $4A3. We could dynamically retrieve the dates based on the week listed in column A. This nifty trick saves us from manually typing out each reference, saving time and effort. In summary, by using the provided formula, we can effortlessly link the week names to the respective dates without the need for repetitive manual input. With this handy solution, you'll breeze through setting up your table and impress everyone with your spreadsheet skills. So go ahead, give it a try and make your data management a whole lot easier. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts.